What's up, sweetums? Quick one before I hop on a flight to Seattle, Washington to photograph a wedding on Vashon Island. Yeah, we'll be gone for a few days, so these videos might be on pause. Typewriter Series 451. Here's your wee paper. Looks like that. There's some stuff going on here. I don't even know what it is. Doesn't matter. If the wind blows hard enough, long enough, will it find a way to pick me up and cradle me inside its gusts? Will it find a way to catch the cautions I have thrown to it and deposit me like debris at the foot of the bed where you lie sleeping? One can only hope. I love you a lot. Have a cool weekend. Hopefully this travel goes smooth. It is a holiday. I'll see you soon.